busy weekend. We are now rushing to finish our customers' order for this part is the continuously rotary drum carbonization furnace, and it's almost finished. That part is horizontal batch type carbonization furnace, horizontal type. And now I'm starting now is vertical type with hoist crown and hoist electric hoist. It's 4-in-1, 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 outer stove, and each outer stove has 3 inner stoves with 3 covers and the top cap and small caps. So this is the gas pipe and then purification system. This is the vertical type. And that is a rotary drum dryer for the sawdust and biomass. And this is the buffer silo. And this one is with belt and with open cover. And this is screw buffer silo, buffer storage silo with cover to make sure no dust, dust free. And that part is smaller continuous square shaped continuous type carbonization furnace, and this is a big horizontal batch model. The inner drum, it's big one because it's 2-meter diameter and the length is 6 meters. The size of all models, it can be customized based on your request and your demand, production demand. So don't hesitate to contact him if you have requests for biochar charcoal production, biomass processing. We have the whole production line machines, and we have the ability to deliver it at fast time and high quality and after sales service. So don't hesitate to contact him. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.